Guess the top 10 best armies in the world.
USA is number one.
Military, baby.
USA.
USA is not number one. They're number two.
That's a lie.
It's not a lie.
Who would you rather take in a fight, USA or China?
It's not China.
Russia.
China's number 4 and Russia's number 5.
Who the hell is number one?
You'll see. I feel like they have weapons.
North Korea?
Not North Korea, no.
India?
India's number 3.
Who the hell is number one?
I don't know. I guess we'll find out, right? We'll find
Germany?
out. Germany is number 7. You might get a sweep of this list until number 1.
France.
France is number 9. France is a powerful country. Strong army and military.
Who the hell is number one?
I don't know. Can you get the other ones?
Is the number one like a trick question?
It's not a trick question, no. It sounds like I'm trying to prank
Is
you.
it a country?
Not. Yes, it's a country.
Mexico?
Mexico. It's not in the top 10.
Japan.
Japan. Not in the top 10.
Israel.
Israel is number 8.
There we go. Okay.
That's a good one.
I have no idea.
What's the big one in Europe?
United Kingdom.
United Kingdom is number 6.
Okay.
What do you eat for Thanksgiving?
Turkey.
Turkey is number 10.
I don't even like turkey. I'd rather ham.
You need the number 1 best army in the world.
Saudi Arabia.
Not Saudi Arabia.
Iraq.
Not Iraq.
Syria.
Not Syria.
Afghanistan.
No, what am I doing? I'm taking stuff and
You're Pakistan?
Pakistan!
Pakistan is a better army than the USA.
According to the top 10s, yes.